Cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into a Nova Beauty video, y'all. But y'all know that this look is about to be a slay. All products will not be mentioned, only Nova Beauty. So let's get into it. I went ahead and I started on my brows as usual. I went ahead and just took some brow gel and also patted it down with some powder, and I filled it in with some brow pomade. Girl, when I tell you how slayed these brows was, and they came out so good, fire. Look, I couldn't even get the period out, but came out bomb. Anyways, I really want to get into this eye look because this eye look is it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, first things first, I did go ahead and apply my base, and then I'm going to take this shadow that is purple, and I added a little bit of black to it on this flat brush, and I winged it out like I would do a long cut crease. And then now I'm going to take a tiny brush, really tiny, to go right on top of that purple, and I'm going to blend it out with this burgundy / cherry shade. I didn't have anything to cut my crease out with, which is like a makeup wipe or some makeup remover. I got to go re-up on some, but I did just go ahead and do it the old way that I used to do it, which is like 2016, 2017. It's giving that kind of vibe. Cut the crease, and then I want to go ahead and take this blue shade and this beautiful lilac purple. So I'll combine both of those together, and then now it's time to get in this Nova Beauty palette. It's a bronze palette, and I'm going to go in that inner corner and add this shade called Drip, y'all. And let me tell you, that shade out of the Nova Beauty palette, the bronze palette, is bomb. Their shimmers are so good. Y'all got to go try them. Go check them out. Go add it to your cart because y'all gonna love them. I'm gonna go ahead and take this burgundy shade that I used on top of that purple transition that I used in my crease, and I'm going to basically smoke this out into like a wing liner, because later on I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut it so it can be sharp just like a wing. I did go ahead and take some of that purple mixed with a little bit of that black, mostly black, and I put it right under that burgundy. Put my lashes on, and now it's time for the face, y'all. Now for the face, you always want your face to be moisturized, so go ahead and put some moisturizer on. I then went ahead and put my foundation on. I love it. It matches my skin so perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer. I put a lighter concealer in the inner corner and a darker one towards the outer part. Then I went ahead and took some contour, and basically it's not contour, it's a foundation stick, but I used it as cream contour. Now I'm going to snatch this nose and put more concealer in the inner corner and blend it out with the beauty blender because I don't want too much excess product under the eyes. After that, everything is set, I powdered the under eye and the face. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, y'all, with a warm bronzer. And then I also went ahead and darkened it up only on the cheekbone area with a little bit of darker bronzer. And now it's time for the nose. I love this part. Like every time I like set and everything becomes matte, that is like my favorite part, y'all. I'm telling you, it just does something to me. Like I just feel real fierce when it comes to just my face being matte. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and take the Nova Beauty Smoky palette and go on with the shade Mood. That is a black, and smoke out the lower lash line. I did put black in my waterline, but I did want to go ahead and smoke it out further because I am going to add the purple color underneath and also a lighter purple underneath and smoke everything out. And when I tell you, they just brought the look together, especially the under eye. And then I also went ahead and took that color out of the Nova Beauty Bronze palette, which is Drip, and kind of put it in the inner corner a little bit more. Spraying my face down after I removed all that excess powder, I'm then going to go ahead and add more bronzer to the face. And because I did go ahead and add highlight to the bridge of my nose, now it's time for lips. I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful lip liner, well, it's not a lip liner, it's a lip kohl, and add my lipstick in the center. And I'm going to add these two beautiful shades from Nova Beauty. The first shade is Thicc, of course, we love a clear. And then in the inner part, I'm going to go ahead and add the shade Thirsty. This is a beautiful orange, and it just topped this look off so well. The orange is sheer, and it just went perfect with this. If y'all enjoyed this look, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Everything will be in the description right below. And until then, I'll see you on my next one.